Kamusta? So, it's the 4th of July and we're going out with the family sa isa na namang bakasyon, no? We're visiting Nyoras to celebrate the birthday celebrant ng Panggan family side ng July. So, but before that, we are getting lunch somewhere near the place sa Magallanes. It's called Salipit Coffee Farm. So, I'll show you the place. So, kung makakabisita kayo dito sa Salipit Coffee Farm, medyo mataas yung lugar. Entrance nila sa main restaurant is just a drop off. Yung parking talaga ay nasa pinakababa. There. So, I suggest if you're with some oldies or kids, just drop them sa drop off and then ikaw na ang magpakahirap umakyat. So, sa restaurant sa loob, hindi ka pwedeng magpasok ng sapatos o ng tsinelas. So, you have to be barefoot. Ayan, ang iwanan nila ng sapatos. So, kung mabaho yung paa mo, mag-prepare ka na. Lagyan mo na ng fisan. Hi, are you ready to swim? We're eating lunch first, okay? Where are you going?
I thought we are going to swim now. And there's going to be a playhouse.
Where?
Because it's my birthday and Queasy and Nates and it's Daddy's and Queasy my celebration.
Where are you going? You can't bring that slippers.
Laughter, the ones that you trust, it ain't no secret. Habit is as happiness. Some folks chase a pot of gold, but joy is right here. If you break the mold, I hate.
Okay, so tapos na kami kumain. Masarap naman yung pagkain. It's more on Filipino food. Yeah, meron din silang brick oven pizza and some other random stuff like coffee and everything else. Well, coffee farm nga siya. No? Kids are getting their coffee right now.
A Sunday breeze, it ain't much to live with these. Happy is as happy does. It's a state of mind.
So, tapos na kami mag-lunch. Busog naman lahat. Ayun pa sila. Bumababa pa lahat. And we're going to the resort next. No? Today, we are celebrating birthdays. No? Actually, it's Kayla's birthday celebration, Seed's birthday, and Ate's birthday. No? So yun, we're going straight to the resort. I'll show you how the resort is. Here's the team.
Wait, baby. Baka mas-sleep kayo ngayon. Oo nga, mas-sleep kayo ngayon eh. Mas-sleep kayo ngayon.
Iwan na lang ako dito. And it's beautiful.
I know it is. It's full of nature.
Yeah.
Sid! Bumibili lang kami ng yelo. Napakahirap maghanap ng yelo dito.
It's not what it was. Laughter, the ones you trust, it ain't no secret.
Ayan na siya.
Oh.
Nyora. Ayan o, Nyora.
Happy is as happy does. Happy is as happy does.
So, andito na kami. Kasama ang birthday boy!
Hello po.
Happy birthday!
Hi, vlog. Hindi pala naka-play.
Buwan gamit! May aso!
Buhat, buhat.
Wild dong aso. Pogi. Alright, so now we're here in Yoras and alam ko and I saw in YouTube na may mga nag-vlog na dito. But I think the latest that I saw was 3 years ago. So let me show you how the place look like now. So pagpasok mo, kasya ang tatlong sasakyan sa parking nila. They do also have a half court. So may kasama ng bola at mag-ingat kayo sa aso. May swings and play place para sa mga bata. Small playhouse. Pagpasok mo pa lang, you'll be met by a small garden sa harap ng kanilang property. So you can see, I'll show you. Sabi ng wife ko, there's a total of 3 cabins. I'll show you the room. Sabay natin silipin ang room. So let's walk around and check around the house. Today, we're out with the family ng Pakinggan. So, and we're celebrating birthdays of the July celebrants. And here are the abuelas of the fams. Let's check out all the cabins. Merong bonfire place at the lounging area sa harap ng cabin 2. There's cabin 2 and this is cabin 1. May pwesto rin para makapag-relax in front of your swimming pool. Tada! This is cabin number 1. Ito yung nasa pinakaharap. Open the place. Okay. So we do have a double deck at may pull-out bed sa ilalim. For some reason, meron ditong office table. I don't know why. Kung gusto mong magtrabaho, pwede kang mag-check-in sa Yora. So they do also have a big ass TV here with some books. And look at this. This is very cool. Kailan ka pa huling nakakita ng encyclopedia? Ha? Meron silang collection ng encyclopedia. And right here, I think this is the bathroom, no? So let's check it out. Okay, so they do have a pretty decent bathroom. Malinis naman. At yes, mabango siya. Promise. May heater. Does its purpose. Ayun ang second floor, but I think it's a loft. At may pinto dito. I think this is going in front sa harap ng cabin. So, see? O ha? Umigot ka lang sa cabin 1. At ayun ang pamangkin ko. Lalaro. Cool, right? Check out the loft upstairs. Medyo matarik ata yung stairs, sabi nila, no? Jesus. Okay, going up. Rico, muntik pa mahulog. Alright. So there is a loft type bed na may dalawang double bed. Meron din siyang air cooler. Katapat na katapat mismo nung hagdan ay yung aircon. No? So malamang malamig to mamayang gabi, hopefully. That's it. That's it for the first cabin. Cool. See? I don't know what you call that, but alam ko masaya siya laruin. So let's go to the next cabin. So across cabin 1, ayun na yung pool. At kabila lang, tatawid ka lang. There's cabin number 2. And my beautiful wife, drinking coffee. Papahinga ka?
Papawid.
Sa iba yung kape. Alright, so this is cabin number 2. Katabi siya ng pool at mukhang naandito ang main kitchen. So, there's ate. Hi ate.
Hello.
Cool kasi may arcade siya. Ismael is playing arcade already. Oh! Naiwan ko ang pinto, nakabukas. So, ayan ang Power Pops. Ewan ko, preparing na ata sila. No? So, andyan na ang aming baon. Ang daming pagkain. At ang daming soft drinks. So, there's the kitchen for cooking and preparing stuff. I think yung glass nito ay retractable. But right now, we cannot retract the doors kasi medyo malangaw daw, sabi. Kasi hindi ko alam, basta sabi ng caretaker medyo malangaw. So, let's just keep it closed, no? What is this? Oh, this bedroom. Medyo, kung claustrophobic ka, medyo sagaran ang bed. But yeah, it's still functional. Makatulog ka, may aircon din sarili. I think you have a comfortable sleep if you sleep here. See what's upstairs. I think my wife and I are sleeping here. Whoa! Okay. Sa dulo ng stairs are may door. And there goes the boys. What are you guys doing? Ayop. So, andito lahat ng bata. Ba't hindi malamig? Basta mo na. This is loft number 2 sa cabin number 2. So, marami siyang beds. One there. There's my boys and my girls playing I don't know what. Hi. Okay, so there's 2 double beds here. Meron pang isang bed dito. So, total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people can sleep here. At, ito ang cool dyan. May bintana. Nakita mo yung kitchen sa baba. Ayun. Malamang paggising mo, sinagang ka ng araw kasi wala silang kortina. Good morning. But yeah, I think it's a good spot. Nakatulog lahat kasi air conditioned at mukhang malamig naman ang mga kwarto. Okay, so that is cabin number 2. Kaya nasira, no? Okay, so far, maayos naman ang mga banyo at ang mga kwarto. So let's just hope it's cold enough na makatulog tayo ng comfortable. Going to cabin number 3. Oops! Mali, wala palang daan dun. At sa likod, ang cabin number 3. So there's the pool. Mamaya, I'm pretty sure the kids will dunk there. At here we go. Okay, may bilyaran dito. But there's an outdoor billiard tables. I don't know what's this. Check this out. Hold on. Oh, may banyo. May extra banyo. Yep, extra banyo. Kung nagmamadali na kayo at marami kayo. Mabango din. Malinis. Oh, okay. Look, merong mga cubicle toilets. So shower area din siya. Cool, no? There's also darts here. At ang dami nilang card games. Na-excite yung mga bata. Kasi, you know, they love playing while drinking. And we'll figure that out later. Anyway, stairs going up. Let's check it out. I don't know what's there. Tara. Mad. Sobrang tarik naman nito. Alright, so wow, okay. This is a common spot. Roof deck siya. Roof deck ba to? Roof deck ba to? Ewan ko. Pero matutambayan siya, feeling ko. I'm pretty sure people will just, you know, lounge over there while eating and drinking. Yeah. Fuck, sobrang init. Sobrang init sa Pilipinas. I didn't see cabin number 3. I think there's just 2 cabins. Mali ata ako. Alright, so ayun yung pool on the side. Like, again, I'm showing it to you. And there's the lounging place. There are extra chairs here. Ang kalan ay nandun sa gilid ng cabin number 2. Okay, I guess that's it. So, akala ko may cabin number 3. Wala pala. I think everyone will fit here. Right now, we're just waiting for Ryan and Charm. I think Charm has work pa. That's the place. Pretty straightforward. I'll get back to you. Medyo tulong muna ako dun. We'll prepare merienda and dinner right now. I'm cooking carbonara. Later.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO. Babe, I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a 5th of Patron and a blender. Baby, slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday. We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch Selma.
Alright, so since we're celebrating ang birthday ni Sid, ni Kayla, and ni Ate, we're doing a game. So we'll give everyone random 5 seconds para magbigay ng birthday greetings sa kanila. Tingnan natin kung mangyayari sa kalokohang to. So randomly, I'll pick out people to give their birthday greetings for 5 seconds. Let's see how it turns out. Isaw na naman ni Malu. Ate Malu, second shout out muna sa ito. Sobrang sarap na isaw mo. Alright, so it's currently 5:34 in the afternoon and we're just lounging here. Eating merienda, ihaw, and carbonara. We're happy to have that. Maya-maya, cook dinner. Go! Alright, so it's currently 6:29 p.m. We'll start the random greeting. So tingnan natin sino una natin masusurpresa.
Hindi.
5 seconds breathing now!
Kikoy Sid? Kanino?
Na-cut off guard sila, no? So, we'll try more later nang hindi sila aware, no? So, let's just treat it as a dry run. And we'll try it again later, including Zach. So, it's a birthday celebration at nagpe-prepare na lahat.
Hipan mo.
Balloon mo, hipan mo.
Yes. Akin pala to. 24.
Ang tanong, pwede ka ba daw hipan? Five seconds, breathing!
Mamaya na po yun.
Okay, thank you!
Happy birthday! No. Happy birthday! Sid! Lalo sa pag-iinom.
Galaw. Pasa mo kay Joe.
Layo.
So, kompleto na ang buong pamilya and we're going to have dinner. Probably have the rest of the evening drinking and having fun. So, show you. Happy birthday! Nakasubscribe na ba kayo lahat? Ha, ikaw?
Yes.
Subscribe ka na? Yes! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Parang ganito. Oh! 5 seconds! Happy birthday, greeting!
Ba't ako?
Thank you! Very insightful! Five seconds greeting.
Two more birthdays to come. And happy birthday.
Actually, why do you sound like a little girl?
Kawawa naman yung ipis. Flying ipis. Nagkagulatan.
Narinig ako. Wala na yung pagkain ko.
5 seconds greeting. Thank you! Maraming salamat, Jo!
Like,
5 seconds greeting!
Happy birthday, kuya. Si kuya, si ate, saka si Kayla. Be good, ah.
Galing. Five seconds greeting.
Wish all the best and more birthdays to come.
Hindi ka marunong lumangoy? Talaga ba?
Kaya timbulan nga ito yan. Meron akong gamit ko, kuya, para hindi ako malulog.
Pucha, kasang-kasa ka ha?
Ay, sino yun yung yaya mo, kuya, dati?
Si Gabi.
Gabi, ginamit yung ganito mo, nga.
Putok eh.
Ay! Cellphone mo na ginamit yung cellphone. Hindi yan. Hi! Ninong, oh. Ninong. Ninong.
Kandit.
Ano lang, oh. Ninong. Aba.
Ngayon ka lang dumating. Enjoy ka? Ha? Oh, huwag ka tatalon dyan.
Oh, wag dito, baby. Yun.
Huwag ka tatalon dyan.
Uy!
5 seconds.
Happy birthday to me, Ate, Kayla. More birthdays to come. Ate Daday, happy birthday! And to all August birthday celebrants.
So in this life, don't you try to move too fast, or the good times will
5
go
seconds.
by.
Happy birthday! Mag-ipon,
So don't just
mag-aral,
lie.
mag-travel, magpayaman!
These days they will come and go. That's how you build a good life.
What can you say to the birthday celebrants?
Happy birthday. I wish you happiness.
Okay, 5 seconds.
Happy birthday, Team Gemini and Team Cancer, manifesting a prosperous year! Ang hirap! Wala na nga ako alam kung sinasabi ko.
Everything will work out fine. So hold yourself tight. So hold yourself tight. Everything will work out fine. So hold yourself tight.
Wala na, ayoko dyan. Galing. Oo. Parang nag-Happy New Year, ganun.
One step, two steps, three, and it's over. 5 into 6 again. 7 steps, 8 steps, 9, and I'm older. Trying to figure out where I fit in. So in this life, hold yourself tight. Everything
seconds.
will
Happy
work
birthday.
out
Have a good life.
Have a good life.
to move to back. So in this life, hold yourself tight. Everything will work.
I see a bear. Saying no. Boarding. Wala, 5 seconds.
Done.
Wala pa!
Madam,
5 seconds, yun.
Tapos na yan eh.
Oo, tapos na yun.
5 seconds greeting.
Point, point. Baby, you want cake? You want cake? You want to swim?
What are you guys eating?
Mom, I was looking at you and you did not hear me.
Upstairs?
Yeah, in the window and you did not look up.
Because I didn't hear you. If I... Ay, po, yung ano nito pala.
Ano?
Tanggalin mo na yung...
Ay, okay, okay.
Wait, baby, wait for that. Tanggalin mo yung... Oo, si Dina.
Ay, kanina ito, te.
Wala.
Ay, parang dito, ate.
Go on. Come on.
Wanda, I'm dead.
Huwag ka magalit dyan. Ay, galit.
What number?
5 seconds.
Good morning! Happy birthday, Ate Kay, Kuya, Ate. Good health.
Alimutan yung anak.
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak on through the main floor. All night, let's take a shot. Keep moving and we won't get caught. Take the long way home. Tonight we're free to roam. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world.
May extra shirt pala si ano.
Last chance muna, 5 seconds.
Happy birthday to all.
We're never coming down. Never coming down. No, we're never coming down. Never coming down. High on life, got a good buzz going. I've got no way of knowing what tomorrow's gonna bring me. Not gonna worry. Everything's gonna be alright. Just let go, enjoy the ride. To the top of the world tonight. We're never coming down.
Okay, 5 seconds greeting.
Happy birthday, I guess, to everybody. I don't know.
Tatay mo nga si Ryan. Okay, so as a whole, it was a really fun experience staying here in New York. So, paano ba? Thank you and see you sa next vlog!
High on life, got a good buzz going. I'm never